Guten Morgen. We are live. Wie geht's? Making some significant progress. I think the last feature that we're working on was the array, basically ingesting a fixed message, converting it into an array. That was successful. I demonstrated that it actually works by actually adding a feature to display one of the elements of the array or the list. And now it's not time to move on to the next feature. I lost a lot of time messing around with the what do you call it? Messing around with the GitHub. So I really want to get this done. I really want to get this done. So I don't want to let nonsense like that hold back the project. I don't need GitHub to get this done. It's convenient, but we have the board that Nick created for us, which is awesome. So, you know, that can work, right? Also, my laptop GitHub is working, so at least I can push things from my laptop. So, hey, there's another product idea. As long as it doesn't detract from the Fix Engine project, of course. 1 second. Something that can, in some ways, simulate a cloud. So not needing GitHub. Now, not a full version control system, of course, not at all, but just something that can automate the syncing of files between multiple machines. So that, and I got at least one computer that can work with GitHub. So if I can, I guess when I'm working on that machine, it's no problem. I can just send it up to GitHub. The problem is the desktop. So when I work on the desktop, I just need to have a script on the desktop that'll move the file to the laptop so it can be pushed up to GitHub. I just need to consider, see, this is interesting about coding, right? You code to solve problems. I have a problem right now, right? GitHub's not working for me. I can let it hold the project back, or I can create a simple solution that will allow me to circumvent that problem while I work out the GitHub thing at my leisure. You know what I mean? So instead of dedicating so much time, like I think I spent 2 hours straight. The last thing that I did last night was 2 hours straight on GitHub. And that's not including the other hours that I've spent fighting with it. So I could probably create something to move the files around much faster. Using like FTP, or if I can figure out if there's an email application in Linux that supports attachments, I could also email it. Email the script. It's a small file. The main thing is you want to keep the formatting intact, so that's why you want to do an attachment instead of just sending it as the body of the email, which is something I've done in the past. But anyway, I'm going to end the stream because I made the same mistake yesterday. The format at which I've chosen for this live stream. What is this guy is like in the background? What is he doing? He's just it's distracting, man. Get out of the way, dude. There we go. That's better. So the format that I've chosen, I forgot to change it. It's near real time, or it's a low latency option. With the low latency option, I'm not sure if you can rewind the live stream while I'm streaming. Yeah, you can't do that, and also I can't do highlights. So if there's a certain part of the stream that I want to highlight as a separate upload. So because these are like in real life live streams where I'm live streaming the entire day basically, so it's a long ass live stream. I've had some people spend hours and hours and hours with me, and that's cool, but most people are not gonna have, and I hope you don't have 8 hours to spend watching the live stream. I mean, for me, I'm working on things, I'm learning, so it's a little different than you as an observer. I mean, sure, you can learn from the stream, but I think you learn more from the highlights. You know, me sitting and staring at the screen for 20 minutes straight, you know, because I'm stuck on something, you know, what are you learning from that? I mean, in theory, if you're also trying to figure it out with me, but when I'm actually coding, it's hard to interact too much because it slows me down. So, yeah. So basically, I wanna when I'm doing a stream like this, I wanna cut out pieces as separate videos. So that's a feature that's not accessible because of the way that I'm streaming right now. So I'm gonna end the stream and change it to normal latency, which is gonna give me that option, so that I'll be able to cut it up for you guys. You know, make it more convenient, right? So I'm gonna take this down, and let's see, take it back. I'm gonna take you guys old school. After these messages, we will be right back. What? You want me to do it again? You think I'm that good? My voice is that good? All right. Hey, anything to keep you guys happy. After these messages, we will be right back. All right, I'll be back in a little bit, guys. Let's have fun while learning. CPU squad. We're back in effect. Fix engine project is rolling.